I've got a writing task to share with you today called The Cave. So have a look at the picture I'm about to share and have a think about the writing prompt. Have a look at this image. The only sound the diver could hear was his own breathing. It was a strangely relaxing sound. One of the reasons Mike enjoyed being underwater so much. Mike knew, however, that he mustn't let his senses switch off. It could be incredibly dangerous diving at this depth if you stopped concentrating even for 1 minute. Despite enjoying himself, Mike concentrated on the mission he'd been tasked with. He shone his spotlight down towards the murky depths below, and with a powerful push of his flippers, he began the descent. Grab a piece of paper and a pen. Make a note about these questions and the thoughts that you have. What is the mission that Mike has been tasked with? What is it that Mike enjoys about diving, do you think? What is causing the strange white lines in this picture? How do you think Mike is feeling? Where does the cave lead? How did he get to the cave in the first place? Is he there alone? This sentence challenge is all about using subordinating conjunctions. Here I have 4 simple sentences that match with this picture. Mike enjoyed diving. Diving can be such fun. Everything seemed so peaceful. The water was cool. We're going to extend these sentences to make them into complex sentences. So here are 4 different subordinating conjunctions. Because, although, therefore, also. Your task is to match the subordinating conjunction with each sentence and then continue the sentence to finish it. So it could be, Mike enjoyed diving. Therefore, he went diving whenever he had chance. The water was cool. Also, now it's your job to finish them. Next, let's look at some 6 sentences. Some sentences that we can improve to make them more descriptive for the reader. So here's 2 more sentences that go with this picture. The diver went through the water. The water was cool. Went and cool are both weak words. They don't really help the reader to imagine what it's like. Your task is to rewrite these sentences with more descriptive words. Instead of went and cool, which words could you use? Now we've done our sentence practice, it's time to look at our writing tasks. Option 1. Can you draw a picture of what Mike might discover inside the cave? It might be more than one thing. Then label your picture with what you've drawn. Option 2. Write a diary as if you're Mike. Your diary will be at the end of the day, so after he's completed his diving. What did he see? What did he do? How did he feel whilst he was doing it? Remember the writing tasks we've worked on? You need to try to include some subordinating conjunctions and make sure that you're using descriptive words.